here we go. Crypto trade of the day. Dogecoin is under the microscope, guys. It's starting to pick up upside momentum. I really like the way things are looking right now for the Dogecoin. I mean, at some point yesterday, we felt that price action might go for a breakdown. And the breakdown, the reference level I'm talking about is 31.66, which we've mentioned before. It's been a solid key level support, the last line of support in the range that Dogecoin is trading in ever since early November. Let's take a look at the big picture situation, the weekly chart. So this is where the upside trend came to an end, right? It was back in early November. Ever since then, we saw that back and forth exchange. But again, that 31.66 level was the last line of support, and you see how price action provided tons of support when the Dogecoin was on the back foot, right? And for a few weeks in a row, back to back, price action kept testing that area. So it doesn't mean necessarily that it's bulletproof. It's not going to be broken ever, right? It just means that it provides a lot of support, and it's more likely the price action from that point will go back to the other side of that range, talking about the level of 41.55 at the very minimum, right? That's the upper section, starting with the level of 41.55, which we already designated as a profit target for us. Now, here's the bounce of 31.66 just yesterday. I mean, we've seen price action engaging multiple times with that 31.66. Just a few days ago, there was another touchdown, beautiful one, right? Slightly touching down and then turning back up. Again, the last 48 hours, big drop, back to that same 31.66, but yesterday, take a look at that bounce back, right? Price is getting a huge rejection of 31.66. Looks like this support area is actually gaining more supportive power to push price action to the other direction. And that's what's happening right now. You see the first trade where we fired off, right? It's a small one because we're kind of testing the water still. But it's definitely the way price action is looking like right now. Definitely encourage one more trade thrown into the mix, potentially doubling up our position size. So yeah, really excited about the situation here. I can only say there's an obstacle at 36.33. Once price action starts to cross above 36.33, that trigger level, that's going to be our cue to get more aggressive here, increase our position size. And again, at the end of the day, 41.55 is going to be the end of the road for us. Once we hit that area, we're out looking for opportunities somewhere else, because the upside push back to the upper section of that range is going to be completed, right? Let's take a look again from the weekly perspective. There's a long way to go to 41.55, and I just want to make sure price action can break above 36.33 on its way to the target. As far as our stop loss level goes, right now stop loss level is at 0.2950. Should provide enough distance from price action in case it's going to get spiky here. Alright guys, so there you go. Our new bullish campaign on the Dogecoin, looking good so far. We're looking forward to increase our position size as price action keeps moving toward the target. That's about that for this one. We're going to see you in the next video. Take care.